Hello and welcome. My name is Vakile. I'm going to show you a rhythm that I'm going to be playing in triads. Now, triads are a scenario where you have stacked thirds. For example, I can play in the key of G. Okay, so this very first lesson I'm going to show you 3 inversions of triads. Okay, I'm going to show you the major triad first because that's what we're going to deal with. Now the major triad, let's say in the key of G, in the key of G, let's come here to the 12th fret. Now this is G and this is B, that's the 3rd, and this is D, that's the 5th. It's called a triad in the root position. This means that the bass is in the root is in the bass. Okay, comparing these strings here, this would be the bass followed by that, and that's the 3rd there, and that's the 5th. Okay, so that's a triad in the root inversion. Okay, now if you invert that, as you go this way, you are inverting upwards, and then you come back to the root position. Okay, let's move from here. So the way you're gonna do to invert this one, you're gonna take an octave of this G here, and that's the octave there, and you're gonna take a unison of this, and that's the other D, and then you're gonna take a unison of this, that's this one there. So you have this other G triad in the first inversion. Now let's see how the notes are stacked here. This is the 3rd, this is 5th, and this is the root. So the root is now sorry, the 3rd is now in the bass, and the 5th is in the middle, and the root is on the string with the highest frequency. Okay, so that's the first inversion there. Now you can invert it further. From here, hold this G and then take a unison. You're gonna take a unison to there. Okay, this 3rd, take an octave, and this 5th here, take a unison. You're gonna have so you're gonna have a triad like this. You bar this finger across from string 1 to 3, and then you place your finger on string number 2 there. So that's the second inversion. Now let's see the stacking of notes in the second inversion. The stacking of notes is such that the root is in the middle frequency, the 3rd is in the top frequency, and the 5th is on the bass. Okay, so you have that. Now let's invert it, find out whether you can invert further. Let's take a unison from here. Let's take a unison from this root. Let's take an octave from there. Okay, so you actually have this one. So for my guitar, it's good because you now have this in the root again. This is G, B, and D. Your guitar might not have if it has 22 frets, you might not be able to do this. No, this is good. Now let's move from here. This the one that is an octave below the above this. Now we can go backwards. Backwards again, you can do the same thing that we've done. Take an octave. Okay, the bottom one, take an octave, and this one here, take a unison, and this one here, take a unison. So you back to that one, which is your second inversion on the 8th fret and bow on the 7th fret. You can do the same thing, take an octave there and take unisons, unison in the middle one, sorry, the middle. So you are back to this one. That's the first inversion. Now if you try to take unisons backwards, you can only do that to two notes, this G and B. Okay, so this is an appraisal for the triad. So the second inversion, sorry, the first inversion, second inversion, the root, go back to the first inversion, second inversion, and the root. Okay, so those are called triads. So in the next, I've done these triads on these strings 1, 2, 3. You can do that on 3, 2. Sorry, in 2, 3, 4. You can do that on 3, 4, 5. You can do that on 4, 5, 6. Okay, so now in the next lesson we're gonna be playing with triads on the very 1, 2, 3 strings, and I'll show you the other triads. They have different shapes all over. So I want to thank you very much. My name is Vikile. Thank you very much. Bye.